Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to if you're new. Well, actually, since I'm restarting my channel, that intro really doesn't work, but we're just gonna go with it. So as you can see by the title, today's video is going to be a trendy hair accessories haul. Because I'm a follower, I hop on any and every bandwagon. That's a lie, but I hop on most of them. I'm so excited. They just look so aesthetically pleasing, and I just, yes. And I cut. So these are the scrunchies that I have. And we're just going to quickly go through these. First off, I just have this little pastel set. It comes with a mint green, a gray, a heather gray, a light pink, this black and white striped one. I love that one so much. Pastel yellow, and then this lacy pink. This one actually broke, so I just use this for my afro, my little poof when I go to bed at night. But it's like a really pretty glittery one, and then this one didn't break yet, so shout out to this one. I have just these two fuzzy ones. I have yet to wear these, but I can't wait until I do because these are super cute. These are my favorite beloved velvet ones. Cheetah or leopard print, I don't know the difference, but it's one of them. A zebra, I don't know what that is. This is something, and then a brown one. I love these so much. Oh, this will actually look cute on, so I'm gonna rock this one for the video. Back to making a mess in my room again for me to clean up after this video. I have two sets, one from Goody and then one from the Dollar Tree, and these ones are more vibrant and like girly. I kind of like these ones more because the texture of them is just so cute, and these ones are kind of just like bland, so I love those. Butterfly clips, I ordered these a pack of 100 off of Amazon. Some of them did come broken. They come with orange, green, pink, purple, blue, red, and yellow. Shout out to Vereena. And then I have these like clips that my mom brought. Like, what are these called? Alligator clips? I don't know. They're for hairdressers, but I'm going to use them for style, you know. Imagine with this hair down and then just having it like pinned right here. Soup's cute. But here they are. They're just this pink, green, and purple, like, what is this word? Iridescent? What is iridescent? No, iridescent is glittery, ain't it? This is like transparent. And then I have, these are my favorite. Oh my gosh, they are so cute, and I have yet to wear them. I was waiting to film this video before I wear them, so now I can finally wear them. Here they are. They're just these like little girl scrunchies that have two different stripe colors of all of them, and they are so cute. Again, I haven't seen anybody wearing these. I don't know if I'm just late on this trend. This trend already rolled by, but I'm just now hopping on it. I'm just the one starting it because, again, haven't seen it, so not a trend follower. And then last but not least, these are my two that I ordered off of AliExpress. I just have this cute little beaded one. To unclip it, it kind of goes up, but I kind of like that because, you know, I know it's more secure. This actually would have been cute with this outfit too. And then I also got just this one. This is like, you know, a lot of people have been wearing these on Instagram. I've seen these everywhere. They're just bedazzled hairpins, and this one says error, so for this one I kind of wanted to wear it upside down. And then this is actually not really a part of the video because I've been had these before I got any of these, but I'm going to include them anyway. They're just these gold hairpins that I'm actually wearing right now. I got these from H&M, a pack of 25 to 50, and they were only $1 or $2, so yeah, love these. Peace out, Girl Scouts.